On the left sidebar, we have several menus. I will walk you through each of them shortly, but for now, I want you to focus on creating your first agent. Here you have two options. You can create a custom agent, or you can browse the templates. Let me show you the templates first. Parsemania comes with most of the necessary AI agent templates out of the box. Using them is very simple. All you need to do is find the template you want, click Install Agent, and you are ready to customize it if you need any changes. Now, let me show you how to create your own custom AI agent. Click the left button labeled Create Agent. You will see two options, AI Autobuild and Configure Manually. Click on the first option. This will use AI to build your agent based on a sample PDF or image that you provide. I am going to select a sample document and click Analyze and Continue. It may take a few moments to process and understand the document, but as you can see, the results are quite impressive. All the required labels are already detected, and you can modify them or add additional labels manually if needed. Once you are satisfied with the results, click Continue to Agent Setup and let us start building the automation workflow. Here we have the instructions box and the detected variables. I am going to add a few conditions. If the total amount is greater than 100, send an email to our CEO. If the shipping address is in New York, flag this as a New York delivery. Click Validate and let us see how the AI responds. As you can see, both conditions have been correctly interpreted. For the second condition, we can also require manual review, also known as human in the loop. Next, we can configure an API callback. You can map variables to your ERP, CRM, or any other system you want to connect. Once everything is set, click Save. That is it. Now let us start uploading documents. You can upload files directly from the agent interface or from the dashboard. In that case, you need to select the agent you want to use. You can then see the results in real time. This table works like an Excel spreadsheet and shows all processed records and extracted data from your documents. You can also export the data if you need to use it in a spreadsheet or for any other purpose.